It's Golden Apple here, back to another video of how to get free Robux code. So, first, you need to copy the paste link in the link in description. You need to go here, then copy all of these, copy like that, copy it, you go to this gonna be in my description too. Then you need to click inspect and it's gonna be I think this this that then you is all paste num then take item so you need to subscribe me here. You need to subscribe here. Okay? If you cannot subscribe, this will never work. So I just got done. See? You need to click here, then click inspect, then click edit as HTML, then erase, paste what you copy, wrong. Oh, hindi ako yun. Sorry about that, guys. Inspect. I'm really sorry about that. Edit as HTML. Then, like that, and you paste. There. There's item. So, you wanna wait 200%. This is gonna be take for 3 or 2 hours, I think, or 1 hour. So you just wait for 2 or 3 or 1 hour. You just sit and relax. Thanks for watching. Golden Apple out. Be sure you like and subscribe, guys. Goodbye.